Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are going to do unboxing and quick setup of Google Next Hub 7-inch display. So as here you can see, this is how the box pack looks like. It is the second generation and right now this is the latest generation which is available in the market. So if I show you the box, on the top of the box you get the picture of hub itself. So this is the home screen, how it is going to look like. So that screen it is given. Coming to the color, it comes in two color option. So one will be going to have the back as black and another one which will be having white. So right now on your screen you will be able to see all those color options available in the market. If I talk about the display, in both the color display is going to be remain same. So the border of the display is going to come in white color. Here are some quick instructions where written how you can like trigger OK Google and do some task. For playing a music you have to say OK Google play some music, and if you want to open the Netflix you have to tell OK Google open Netflix. So this is the way how you can trigger all the tasks to this display. If I tell about it is compatible with YouTube Music, Google Photos, Google Maps, Google Calendar, Netflix, Philips Hub, Spotify and TP-Link. All these are the applications which are supported in it. There are also few more third-party applications which are supported for Google. You can check it by visiting to the official side of the Google. If we turn to this side, here are the inside content information so are written. Here it is written as comes with a smart speaker with screen, PC power adapter, safety warranty booklet, quick start guide and the privacy card. So this all it comes. If we talk about the voltage and voltage, so here it is mentioned as it can operate within voltage up to 100 to 240 volt. The wattage it is going to consume is 15.4. If I talk about the MRP 7999 in INR, but you can get much cheaper than this price. Refer to our link in the description section. You can purchase this device directly from there. If we see here, it was written it supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and it also works with Android as well as iOS devices, and it comes with Chromecast built in. So basically as it has a 7-inch display, you can cast your mobile screen to this device. If we see here, it is the Google logo, and here this is how it is going to look like. A small demo image of the device is given here. So let me open the box and see actually what we get inside the box. Opening the box, we get the device itself. So this is how the device looks like. On the top of the device, if you see, we got some sensors and mics. If you go to the back side, the black color variant, this is how it looks like, the Google logo. We'll go through this device in detail. Let me see what else we get inside the box. If we see here, so these were some booklets and the warranty information guide they given. So this is the charging adapter that we get inside the box, which is in circular type, and on the back you get the Google logo. So now let's get back to the device itself. If I talk about this device, on the top you get a white color border here. Here are some mics and the sensor. So basically with some gestures you can control this device also. So that's why this sensor is there. And if we turn to the back, so on the back the Google logo, and this is how the black color variant looks like. If you're going with white color one, how it is going to look like right now on your display, you will be able to compare. And here we got a toggle, which one you can toggle to turn off and turn on your mic. So if you turn off your mic, so this is going to be in orange color. If you turn it off, so here it will be in gray color. You can increase and decrease the volume. So here is the volume increase and decrease buttons were given. This is the power adapter port, and on the back they also given a rubberized grip. This one is not going to make your device slide, so this will be like stick to the surface. And here is the Google logo again. So this is how the device looks. So let me turn it on and quickly we'll do the setup of this device. When you boot the device, this is how it is going to look like. It starts with the Google logo itself.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
If we see here on the boot of itself only, it shows a QR code. by using that QR code you can download the Google Home app. This QR code you can scan it, or you can go to your Play Store directly and download it. So let me search it directly. You going to search the Google Home, so this application is going to open. So I already downloaded this one. You just need to click on open. So once you open this one, so this is how it is going to look like. So you need to click on devices and you need to click on add. So once you click on add, it is going to ask you whether you are going to do a setup for a new device. So I'll be continuing with new device, and it is going to ask you your location where you want to do the setup. So I'll be continuing with this location. It automatically found a next hub. First I need to click on yes. Now it is asking me to do the QR code scan. So I done that QR code scan. Now it started connecting to this next hub. We also got a message as connected. Now let me click on yes, I am in. Now it is asking me that in which room I am going to place this device. I'll be putting this device on my office room. So I'll be continuing with my office and click next. Now it is asking me to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Continuing with this Wi-Fi network as it supports 5 GHz connectivity also. So as here you can see, it started connecting to this Wi-Fi network. Now it started getting some update. Now it is asking me to confirm my preferences. So as here you can see, it is asking me whether it needs to verify the voice match and the personal results also, and duo calling also. So I'll be continuing with this one as confirm. So now it is asking me to customize your photo frames, listen to music and radio. For what purpose you are going to use this device, those all you need to select and continue using this device for all this purpose. For now I'll be clicking on next only. If you want to later on customize anything, you can customize inside the home application later also to personalize your photo frames. So I'll be clicking on next, showing me the different options from where it can get the photos. So I'll be continuing with this art gallery for now. These are the different types of art gallery it will be using to show on my device. Now it is asking me to select a service for music. So I'll be continuing with YouTube Music here. Next it is asking me to link a video service here, as it currently supports only Netflix as a third party service provider. Stay in touch. It will making calls through Google Duo or like Meet. So it is asking me for those things. It is telling almost done. So let me click on continue. To take a walkthrough
Hi,
about
I'm your
this
Google
next
Assistant,
hub.
here to help you throughout your day. So you can get started. Let me show you around.
So if you want to take a quick tour, you can click on get started.
First, I'll show you where to find settings. Swipe up from the bottom.
So let me show you in this quick tour how you can control this device. So let me swipe off.
This is where you can control some settings, like screen brightness, alarms, and a few other things. To hide these settings, swipe it away or tap anywhere. Now let's look at some things that you can see on your home screen. To take a look at your day, swipe left from the right side of the screen. Now, here's the place where you can find information and actions chosen just for you, updated from morning to night. Next, go ahead and tap where it says Home. Now, this is where you can find and control devices in your smart home, like lights and thermostats. Almost finished. You can ask me all sorts of questions, and I'll do my best to get you an answer. Try asking me about the weather.
Hey Google, what's the weather?
Right now in Ogalapada, it's 31 degrees with haze. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecast high of 31 and a low of 27. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 41. When you want to go back, you can swipe from the left edge. Just as a final tip, if you want to learn more, you can always ask me, what can you do? We're all finished for now. I'm really looking forward to being your Google Assistant.
With this, the setup for the Google Next Hub is completed. So this is how it looks like. The picture is actually quite good, and the display quality, if I'll tell, it is also quite good. So all these options I already shown you. If you want to scroll to the left, it changes the wallpaper here, and it shows the time and as well as the temperature of your current location. Hey Google, play some video on YouTube.
Sure, playing recommended YouTube videos.
हाय गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच हमारे शो संदीप भैया को ढेर सारा प्यार देने के लिए।
So if you see here, you can also use this device to play the YouTube video. So you just need to tell to this device to play some video on YouTube and it is going to start that. And you can also select any video that you want to watch. That is one advantage of this display, which supports the you playing the video from the YouTube itself. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. If you have any questions related to this device, please let us know. We'll be happy to answer those questions.